Welcome back, everybody. In this video I'll be reviewing the side mirrors I picked up on Amazon.com. If you're looking for the install video, I'll be uploading that separately. You can see here it's for an 06 to an 011. I'm going to be unboxing and showing you everything that's inside the pack. And moving over to the unboxing, let's see what we got inside. And so moving on to the unboxing, you can see inside there are two neatly packed boxes containing the mirrors. And so I was pretty surprised to see that these are actually packaged really well. Inside you can see there's a nice bag containing the mirror to protect it from scratches. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't realize it was actually that dark in here, but this is the actual mirror that you will get. It is lightly textured, foldable. Sorry, that took a lot of force because it's fairly new. Protective foam. There is protectors to protect it during shipping. And the mirror itself, some lovely polka dot pillows. And a final glory shot to show you what's inside the package, since of course you can't touch or feel this thing. This is just giving you an idea of what you're buying. I'm installing this on an 05 Ranger, even though this is for 06 to 011. And so I'll be modifying it and making it fit my Ford Ranger. If you're interested in seeing that, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And as always, if you enjoyed that video, do not give me a like. Nah, just kidding. Enjoy.